Okay, so we finally tested the 10BG 76 from BNC, which Steven from Spartan Sealed has in his hand. This is his bike. We have 1.1 or 1.3?
We're right under a foot. We're right under a foot.
Right under a foot. So we're about 0.96, 0.1 of airspace after displacement on these bags. 3-inch port by 8.1 was the math given to us by BNC and Chade. We're on a 3K set up to 2,000 watts RMS, 1,000 each. And after how many hours of break-in time you got?
About 2 to 3.
2 to 3 hours of break-in time. We threw them in here. We tuned it. We started first at 50 hertz at a 24 dB to be conservative, all the way up to 450. I will tell you that tuning was quick. It was very easy to tune, very simple. She looked very clean on the RTA. As you work with it, you realize that everything above 125 is going to play loud because it's over 91 dB, and therefore we're able to boost below 63 and just shift the power over to the low end. We had the Bema Power IXs on this. So what's your take now?
Sure, they go right there. I like them. I'm surprised. They do hit hard. You could definitely feel it in your chest. They're pounding. I like them. I'm happy with it.
So these are true mid basses. So if you're looking for that extreme low end at under 40 hertz, like some of these bikes that you hear, you'll know also that you can't tune those bikes above 200 hertz, 150 hertz. Here we're all the way up to 450. We're running off of Mascani Atomo 4.6. As you can see, it's fairly simple, the amount of tuning that it required. We're at a 45 hertz at an 18 dB, at 24 dB for 400. And we're gonna play with it a little more. We're very happy she hits hard, like a mid bass is supposed to. We're going to push her a little more. We just gotta be a little bit cognizant about what we do because BNC only made 4 of these for us. 2 are going on to Gil Jr.'s bike, that's up there. And then Spartan Seal's bike is sponsored by Chad and BNC. So the other pair is going on this bike. What is the application that we truly believe it'll work out? We're looking forward to put it on the Evan Black Boss kits. It's 1 cubic foot exactly. We think it's going to work extremely well because it likes that space and they hit hard. They hit very hard at 1,000 watts RMS each. So we're going to be all at the Blues Show Fall Fest, November 11th. Showcase the bike with all of it being BNC and Chade products. Understand that BNC is the parent company to Chade, and we're very proud of this. So you'll be able to come out there and listen to it. So other than that, we'll see everybody Saturday for the show. Be ready.
Just pull the 2-seat out, baby. Just wherever you want to go. Wherever you want to go.
You know that ain't gon' stop nothing to me. Over bed, I might fall something. I'm all up against. I hang out, hold up, grip the grain, roll up, and your girlfriend want a nigga like me, cause I ain't tryna control her. She call me when she wanna change, lay down to my pinky ring. She know you weak and we ain't the same. You hit the scene,
Se me tira un texto, le llego rápido como un airdrop, de una sin pensarlo. Cuando me llame y lo traigo, seguro y pesado como el remake de Tylon. Se engancha en el tubo como el triple, y empieza a bailarme como